Good morning, everybody. There's Pete. What we're doing today, Pete?
We're doing Island tour. We got 10 islands all together to see, and we're going to see one or few. Got a national park fee, which is like only 300 baht.
That's
so
right.
It should be good. Yeah.
Yep. So we got in a tuk-tuk and we're dropped off over there, and we followed somebody to here, this place. She has our name on there. Looks like this is our boat. Thankfully there is a little cover under it, so when we're out and it's really hot we can get in the shade. Here's our captain. Okay. Two passengers aboard, just waiting to go. We have captain there, just getting the boat ready to go. So it says 9 island tour. When we got on it said 9 islands. So I'm not sure if I'll film every island, but let's see how many we get on video. So it's a 9 island tour. Next island.
Oh yeah, first one.
We don't do the swimming or we don't want to do the canoe. We just want to go to nice beaches, do a bit of filming on each beach and take some pictures. And they said yeah. So 8 more to go. That's where we are. Kolau Lading. So that's one island done. Time to head out on another. I'll just throw in quick video clips of each island, like the highlights of it. That was just a quick 5 or 10 minute stop on it. Yeah. Not a lot to do on that one.
No, just
we just asked for views, didn't we, and beaches, nice views and beaches and that.
Yeah.
Because usually you go, like I said, you go swimming or canoeing, and so let's see where we go next. Here we are at island number 2. So yeah, there is a charge. I still not really sure whether it's 300 baht for a foreigner. I'm still not sure if that's just a one-off payment or whether we pay that all the time. So as I was talking then, they shouted us back. I'm not really sure what happened there, are you?
No.
Something about not pay this next island 200 baht instead of 300 baht. I'm not really sure how that conversation went, so we'll see what happens on the next island, eh? But yeah, there is a 300 baht, what do they call it? National
Park.
National Park fee, yeah. But we've not paid it yet, and we should have paid it here, so we'll see. What does it say? Pak Beer Island. So we'll do a rating so far. Island number 2 is number 1, Pete, is that right?
Oh yes.
Number 2, we've only done 2 islands. Number 2, this one is the best one so far. 7 more to go. Back on board Dolphin number 7. On to the next one. So his pictures here, this is the place where they drop and just let everyone go swimming for a bit. But that's not what we've booked to do. He's just come to show us where it is. Look at that. Beautiful.
Lagoon.
Yes, if you do. La what?
Lagoon.
Lagoon.
Yes.
Very nice. take a look at this one, OP.
Oh yeah, I'm looking forward. See all the boats. Must be busy.
Yeah, it is busy, yeah. So I've not seen the name yet, but I'm presuming because unless we see Hong Island from this island, this is Hong Island Viewpoint. Let's have a look. Further down we go, see what it's called. Stop number 3, like we said. It now has a name. So we just stopped to have a nice quiet drink and all of a sudden we hear people mumbling and look what turns up. So there's the viewpoint. Did it say how many steps? Could be a lot, couldn't it, by the looks on it? No, it doesn't say, does it? Oh, 45 minutes. We ain't got time to do it. We ain't got time to do it, it's 45 minutes. What time is it?
It is 11:51.
Yeah, you only got half hour.
If I go quick.
It's up to you. You'll have to be quick. It says 45 minutes, experience. Time to head back to the boat now. Not bad, was it, Pete?
Yeah, not bad. I wish we got some more time so I can try that viewpoint, but it was quite high. Take at least an hour to go up and down for me.
Yeah. Yeah, so not enough time. But it's a nice little beach. There's a cafe. If you're hungry, we just had a coffee. Yeah, nice little chill out. So I think this is 3. So I think there's still like 6 more to do.
Yeah, it is.
So it's only 12 o'clock anyway. So we'll see. Yeah. Here's our boat. What you do when you get back is you just go to the guy behind you. You tell him your boat name because he told you the name and number. They have a massive speaker system because the boats are parked up there. And then they just come up and turn up right here. The drivers are obviously listening for their name to be shouted. And it's about an hour, nearly dead on. And here we are. So this is the 4th beach we've stopped at. We didn't stop at that one where you go swimming, and we're not stopping at Riley because we've already been there twice. So yeah, this is number 6. Looks very, very small, but who knows if there's anything behind it. Nice, peaceful. Three more islands to go. This is number 6 of 9. Couple were swimming, so we didn't do them, and we've been to Riley Beach, so on to the next one. So the next stop is Chicken Island. This was Booyah, so from Booyah to Chicken. There's another island. We're not stopping at this one, Chicken Island. Does that look like a chicken? Not really, does it? Okay, I take it back. It does look like a chicken now. That is Chicken Island. It's just the angle it was at. It's not my eyes, honestly. That looks like a chicken now. Looks like we've reached another beach. I'll find the name out in a minute. Looks like it's not very deep either. Look, everyone's just walking out. They just stood up. Nice. Beautiful. So we've arrived at what they call Top Beach. We had to pay another 200 baht to get on here. This could be the best beach. It's not the best for crowded wise. There seems to be more people on it, as you can see behind. But it is very, very nice.
Oh yeah.
Isn't it? walking over to that little island there. That's cool. What do you think, Pete?
Yeah, I think it's better than the second.
Yeah, I think this is the best one. It's just a shame it's a bit busier, but you can see why. It's really nice.
That's why so many people.
I'm not sure if we've got one more beach left. He said one more, could just be an island from the boat. But yeah, it's been a... Just to let you know, we paid 25 quid each, wasn't it?
Yes,
or was it 28 quid? It was 56 quid, I think, wasn't it?
Yeah, 56.
So I think it was about 28 quid each for a private tour. Would last 8 till 6, but obviously we're really quick. We know no swimming or anything, so it's a bit quicker for us because, yeah, well, like that. If it can be done in 4 hours, we'll probably do it in 1.5, 2.
Yeah. Don't forget, always ask if you want swimming, because, you know.
Yeah, he'll always ask you. So the 9th and final island, Buddha Island, I think he said, didn't he? I think he said Buddha. Lots of people fetch their own, if they're in a group, they'll have their own, in a bigger boat, they'll fetch their own food with them, won't they? And have the food on the beach. This is a nice beach.
Yeah, it is.
Nice and quiet.
It's quite big as well,
Yeah, I said Kopoda, not Buddha. Kopoda. This is our last stop. So overall, we paid 300. You said you paid,
Yeah.
and we just paid 200. So we paid 500 baht extra
Yeah.
to get onto the national parks.
I believe it's 2 different parks. One is up north and one is here.
Right. Okay. Maybe that's why we had to pay the other 200 then. Yeah, we paid just over £25 each for this private tour on our own boat. I highly recommend it. If you want to go swimming, there was plenty of stops for you to go swimming. We've been 7 hours. If you want to go swimming, it'll probably take you 8, 9, 10 hours. You've paid for your trip, so you take as long as you want. That was really enjoyable. If you want to go as a group, we did a group one in Koh Samui once, didn't we?
Yes.
And that was just as good. If not, maybe a bit better. It was really good. But yeah, we just wanted a private one here. What do you think, Pete?
It was really amazing. Some of the visits are absolutely stunning.
Yeah. It is, yeah, it was really good. And this is the end of island life.
Yes,
That's
the
it.
last Island.
We're done.
We're supposed to go on a Riley beach, but on the beach.
Yeah, we've already been, so we're not going. But this is the end of Thailand for now. Tomorrow we travel to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and we spend 5 days there. So from Thailand until we are back in Bangkok in 10, maybe 11 days time, I'm sure. 11 days, I think, we're back in Bangkok. Malaysia, Singapore first, Kuala Lumpur, flying tomorrow. So from a week, we have been in Thailand a week now. Highly recommend Thailand, highly recommend these parts of Thailand, Krabi and Phuket, amazing, amazing, amazing. Yeah, Malaysia, here we come. How to say, Pete?
Oh, yes.
Looking forward to Malaysia, you are, yeah?
I must say, I'm looking more forward for Malaysia and Singapore than
2 new countries.
yeah,
Yep.
many places. Exactly, yeah.
So that's it, Pete. We'll see you on the next video from Kuala Lumpur.
Oh, yes. Looking forward to it. Oh, yeah.
Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.